Welcome to my channel. And today's topic is how to change Facebook language. So let's start. Open your Facebook account or app. Click on the three-line menu. And scroll till Settings and Privacy. Now tap on the language and choose the language you want to browse your Facebook in. Like I am changing my Facebook language in Spanish. Now you will see all the things that are showing in my selected language, or you can also choose your regional language. There is another way, and using this way you can translate the language of the post by your friends or bilingual posts. Under the Settings and Privacy, click on the option Settings. And tap on Translation for posts. Or choose the language you would like to have posts translated into and choose the language as per your preference. So these are two basic methods to change the language on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please like, share the video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.